morning, children. Students, today we will begin with a new chapter, sense organs. Okay? In case of sense organs, you have already studied in your previous classes that we have 5 sense organs. That is eye, ear, nose, then tongue and skin. Okay. Now children, see. All these sense organs, why we are calling them as sense organ? Because they are showing sensation towards the environment. Okay. All these organs, they are showing the sensation towards environment. Now, what is that sensation that we get from the environment? That sensation is the stimulus. Anything that we get from the environment, that is called as the stimulus. So, in other words, we can say that these organs, they show some response towards the stimulus that we get from the environment. And that's why they all are called as the sense organs. Because they are very sensible. Okay, they are very sensitive. As soon as you will give them some stimulus, they all will show some reaction. Suppose if we go in the bright light, then automatically we close our eyes. Okay. If we hear some loud sound, then we try to put our hands on the ears so that we can reduce the sound waves. Okay. If something hot, something very cold or some pricky material touches to the hand, to the body, then all of a sudden we remove our body from there. If we get some smell, okay, suppose a very bad smell, then automatically we feel very bad. We used to put hands on either on the nose, or we used to wrap our face with a cloth. Okay. So, because it is very sensitive, then we can have the taste from the tongues. Because it is very sensitive, it has some sensitive cells. Okay. So, what is this? The meaning of sense organ, the organ which receive the stimulus from the environment and they respond. Okay, so we got the 2 words here. One is stimulus and another is response. Okay, how do we get the response or how we get the stimulus instead of response? Because we are doing the response, but how we get this stimulus? We will get the stimulus with the help of few cells. Okay, our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They all have a special type of cells. And because of the presence of these cells, they get the stimulus from the environment and accordingly they respond. Now, we can have the different types of stimulus. Okay. As the number of organs we have, we will have the stimulus. For example, if the stimulus is light, okay, then what will be the receptor cell? The cell which is going to receive something from the environment. That is receptor cell. So what will be the receptor cell? It will be photoreceptor. Photo means light. Receptor means receiving. So, the eyes are ready to receive the light. That's why they have the photoreceptor cells. Okay. Then we have sound and then the receptor will be phonoreceptor. Okay. After this, we have nose for smell and smell is olfactory receptor. Olfactory gives us the sense of smell. So what we can write? Olfactoreceptor. Then we have taste. Taste will be done with the help of tongue. So it is a type of chemical, and it is with the help of gustatory receptor. And then we have touch with the help of skin and mechanoreceptor. Somewhere you will see that it is also written as thermoreceptor. Okay, so this is done with the help of skin. This is done with the help of tongue. Olfactory will done with the help of nose, then with the help of ears, and then with the help of eyes. So all these are about the sense organ. Now children, in our course we have eye and ear. Okay, we have to study about eyes and ears in detail. These things are not there in detail, but the introduction is given in the book. Okay, and this we have to see. But we will see the sight and sound in detail. Okay, so let's now see the structure of eye. Okay, now children, I have written some important facts about the eye. First we will see this, and then we will begin with the structure of eye. Okay, eyes contain photoreceptor cells. First point, which receive visible light and convert it into nerve impulse. Okay, so this is the first important point related with the eye, that it receives the photolight and then it converts the light into nerve impulse. Second point, human eyes are spherical and the weight of each eye is 7 grams. The weight of each eye is near about 7 grams. Next point, human eyes are adapted for 3D vision. Okay, so our eyes are adapted for 3D vision. This is also called as binocular vision. Binocular vision. Next, eyes are protected by eyebrows, eyelids, eyelashes, and on the eyelids we have some glands which secrete something time to time. What it secrete we will see afterwards. So on the eyelids there is a secretion from the glands. Okay, next point. Each eye has 2 functional eyelids. Now you all can see 1 and 2 functional eyelids and 1 non-functional, that is vestigial eyelid, and this is called as the nictitating membrane. Okay, nictitating membrane. Now see children, what is this nictitating membrane? If you all will stand in front of the mirror and you see that there are some pink dot-like structures. Okay, pink mass-like structure is kept on both the sides of the eyes. These are vestigial membrane, vestigial organ of the eye named as the nictitating membrane. And it is functional in case of animals, but it is non-functional in case of humans. Then, eyelids show blinking at regular interval of time to avoid the dust and the injury to enter into the eye. That's why this is the automatic function of the eye, that our eyelids, they blink at a regular interval of time. Okay, next, after this, our next point is, okay, I'm going to erase this and then we will write down few more points. Our eyes has meibomian gland. Okay, our eyes has meibomian gland, E-I-B-O-M-E-A-N. Okay, this gland, and because of this gland, children, this is modified oil gland. Okay, it is modified oil gland and opens in the hair follicles of the eyes, and from there it secretes the hair, the oils, and this oil keeps your eyes lubricant so that the eyes can work properly. So what is this? This is the modified oil gland and secrete oil in the hair follicle of the eye. Okay, and which keep your eye lubricant to function. So to keep lubrication in the eye. This is about this gland. After this, children, our eyes has one more gland, and that is called as lacrimal gland. Okay, this is also called as tears gland. Now, this gland is almond shaped. Okay, we will draw the figure, then we will see. This is almond shaped gland located at the upper outer border of each eye. It is located at the upper outer border of each eye. Upper outer border of each eye. Okay, their secretion is watery, okay, alkaline, and that is called as tears. So salty with water is named as tears. Okay, now this tears keep your eyes. Tears keep eyes moist. Okay, and clean the cornea, and after that it provides nutrition to the cornea. So what is its job? Clean cornea and provide nutrition to cornea. Okay, so this is the important function of the tears. Along with this tear also contains one enzyme that is called as the lysozyme. Lysozyme. And this lysozyme kills the bacteria. So see, children, this is the important informations about the eye, that basically our eyes has two important glands. One is meibomian gland, and this is the oil secretion gland which used to secrete the oil on the hair follicles of the eye, which keeps your eye lubricant so that it can work properly. Your eyelid should work properly. After that, one more gland is there on the upper and outer side of the eye, that is called as the lacrimal or tears gland. And this gland secretes water which is alkaline, that is salty water, and this water always keeps your eyes moist. Then this will give nutrition to the cornea, it will clean the cornea, and finally this tears gland also contain one enzyme named as lysozyme, and this enzyme kills the bacteria. Okay, so this is all about the information of eyes. Now children, in the next part we'll start with the structure of the eye. Okay, thank you.